Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a YouTube video to your assignment. So I'm going to call this one CNN10 as video I'll be uploading. Now you have two options. If it's from YouTube, they do have a link to where you can put in the name of the video. For example, if you look up here, the race to make masks. And click on it and add right there. And then you will click assign. Or let's say if it's something else, I'm still just going to use this link. You just click on the link, press Control C or copy. I'm going to go to add, click the link, Control V, add link. It's the same thing, and then assign. And that's how you upload a link or a YouTube video.